Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Victoria, and if you're not, then welcome back. So today I'm going to be taking you guys through my pre-protective style wash day routine. So I'm going to get my braids done tomorrow, and so I'm washing my hair tonight and basically prepping my hair to be put into a protective style. So let's just get into the video. So obviously I'm going to start by shampooing my hair, and today the shampoo I'm going to be using is this one by Magic Revive. What I'm basically looking for right now in the shampoo is something that is very moisturizing, something that helps shampoo my hair. But my hair is very tired and old, as you can see. It's been in these twists for a very long time. I actually don't know how long. So I basically just need something that will clean my hair without stripping it. Something that will be very moisturizing. So that's why I chose to use this shampoo. Now my hair is in twist. To wash my hair, I'm not going to take my hair out of the twist. I'm just going to wash it like this. So yeah, let's just do that.
So I washed my hair in the sink for the sake of this video. So I just put a towel around my body so that water doesn't get everywhere. And then I wet my hair with the sink, the top. I let my hair get like really saturated because that's what I like to do. Have my hair get really wet so that product works in better. Then I went in with the shampoo, the Magic Revive 3-in-1 Magic Shampoo. It doesn't like lather a lot on the first wash because it's very liquidy. It has a very liquidy consistency, so I kept adding more and more until I got the amount of lather that I really liked. And then I just scrubbed my hair, scrubbed my scalp gently, and I rinsed it off just like normal, just like when you shampoo your hair normally. Next is deep conditioning. So I sectioned my hair into this like big section, and then I started deep conditioning like twist by twist. So I started at the back, unraveled the twist, and then went in with this new brush that I got from Spa. It's a very nice brush for detangling and has very soft bristles. So I went in with the deep conditioner, and then I used the brush to detangle my hair and also to make sure that all the product got into every single strand of my hair. I repeated the same process throughout my head, and then I just went ahead and twisted each twist right back up to kind of separate the ones that I've already done from the ones that I haven't, and to keep the hair detangled. So this was how my hair was looking after everything. Little 360. So after that, I put a plastic bag around, like over my head, to keep the heat in and also to get the deep conditioner to work really well. And then I put a bonnet right over that to just kind of secure everything together. And then after that, I went to take a shower and let the deep conditioner sit for a while. So after this, I'll show you guys how my hair was looking after I'd rinsed out the deep conditioner, and then we'll get into the main part of this routine. Okay, so I'm done rinsing out the deep conditioner, and I don't look gross anymore. So now it's time for me to blow dry my hair. Mini lunch check. I sectioned off the rest of my hair and decided to just go twist by twist, just like I've been doing, to make the work easier. It takes a longer time, but the results are always better. So I detangled my hair a little bit, and then I brushed it out with the same brush I used earlier, and then I started going in with the blow dryer. Okay, so I forgot to use heat protectant, so I'm using that now. Don't be like me. My hair isn't very sensitive to heat, so I never actually get heat damage, but if your hair is really sensitive, don't forget to use heat protectant. And then once you've applied the heat protectant, you can just go in with the blow dryer again, brush through, and then go in with blow dryer again until you get your hair as straight as you want it to be. So I did this throughout my head again. When I was done with each section, I braided it up to keep it stretched and prevent it from reverting back. After I was done blow drying my hair, I took down all the braids that I did previously. Then I sectioned my hair into smaller parts, and then we braided everything again. But this time I made it a lot more neater, and I also used a butter as a moisturizer to just put a little bit more moisture in there. Obviously I couldn't use a leave-in conditioner because then my hair would revert, so I had to use a butter, and the butter I used is from Magic Revive. I'll show you guys the container later. I actually forgot to show you guys, but I already used it on this section that I'm working on in the video.
Okay, so I'm going to pack my hair back like this. And now I'm going to put this bonnet on. So that's the end of this video, you guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, remember to give it a thumbs up, remember to comment and subscribe if you haven't already. And when you subscribe, turn on my post notifications so you get notified each time I post a new video. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye bye.